One big difference between sex coaching and sex therapy is the kinds of interventions that we use. While sex therapy often relies on traditional interventions, like those developed in the 70s by Masters and Johnson, and focuses totally on talk therapy. As a sex coach, you're taught more cutting edge approaches and interventions, and you actually have a lot more freedom to try different things like going out on a practice date with a client or teaching them kinds of sensual touch so that they are better at seduction and arousing their partners or teaching them how to flirt. These are things that, because of their licensure, sex therapists are not able to do. So, sex coaches can do a lot more experiential practices with their clients to help them figure out who they are and what they want and gain more confidence and empowerment in the sexual and relationship and dating realm. If you want to find out more about what a sex and relationship coach can offer their clients, go ahead and check us out at somaticainstitute.com and ask us any questions you have in the comments. Find out all you need to know about starting this amazing career.